Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the new lesson air and water transport. Aim to understand the importance of air and water transport for carrying goods and people. To recognize how ships take less time to travel through the Suez and the Panama Canal. Read some important keywords related in these lessons are hot air balloon, aircraft, aeroplane, helicopter, cruise ship, tanker ship, sea route, Suez Canal, Panama Canal and Panama Canal. Students, have you ever wished that you could fly like a bird? Yes, we wished that we could fly like a bird. Birds fly just as aeroplanes do. We have also heard or read stories about flying carpets and flying chariots, flying superheroes like Superman and Spider-Man. Today we have different kinds of air transport. Air transport have made it easy for us to travel to different places. The hot air balloon is the oldest type of aircraft. People got ideas from gas balloons and thought of flying a hot air balloon first in 1783. Only one or two people could fly in them. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the first aircraft and called it Flyer 1. Very few people could travel in it. The newest is the modern aeroplane that we see today. Traveling by a modern aeroplane is much faster than road transport and water transport. Modern aeroplanes can carry up to 300 people at one time. Without aeroplanes, we would not be able to connect to faraway places. Air travel helps us to travel from one place to another much faster. We can send things from one country to another for buying and selling. People can go easily and less time from one place to another for work or holidays. Helicopters are used to help people during earthquakes and floods. Air transport is useful for urgent situations. Traveling by air is also very expensive. Air Force used to protect our country. Students, look at the map to know how various places in India are connected by air. It is dangerous to travel by air during storms and heavy rains. Next, we will learn about how water transport is important for us. To go fishing in the river, it would be best to choose the boat because boats are best suitable for traveling short distances. For sending oil, the tanker ship is most suitable because they are built to carry heavy things like oil and gas. The cruise ship carry people and heavy loads from one place to another over oceans and seas. Students, see the route through Suez Canal and Panama Canal on the map. Canals are waterways made by humans like tubes through the sea. Earlier time, to reach England or any other place in Europe or America from India, people had to travel for months all around Africa. Now it takes just about 15 days to do this through the Suez Canal. Shorter sea routes help us to send things to other countries faster. Water transport is cheaper than air transport. When there is a storm or cyclone, ships and boats are not very safe to travel. Sometimes sea pirates can attack ships too. In earlier times, sea voyages helped people discover new lands. Christopher Columbus discovered America after a sea voyage. And Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Okay students, today what we learned? Today we learned different types of air transport and water transport and their uses. Thank you children.